Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about the type alias versus new type. So this is a super common interview question. They will ask, what's the difference between the type my alias equals to integer and type my new integer? So let's break it down with the example that will make it crystal and clear. So far, we saw that type alias are just alternate name. But sometimes we want to create an entirely new type, something that doesn't behave the same as the original. Why? Because we need to add type safety. Imagine this, you are working with the user ages and employee's ID, both are the integer. But what if someone accidentally add an integer to an employee ID? That's where the new type help. They prevent a silly mistake like that. So in this code snippet, we are taking the two types here, AgeAlias and AgeNew. So AgeAlias is the type alias, it's just another name for the integer, and AgeNew, it is a completely new type. Even though it's look like an integer, but code treat it as a different. So here's our integer variable, and we are actually using the user's age. And here you can see where alias equals to original. So AgeAlias is just an alias for the integer. This works perfectly fine. But when we assign to AgeNew, we have to explicitly convert it. Even though it is still based on the integer. This is how Go protect us from the accidentally mixing the different types. So finally, we print both the values here to confirm that they behave like a regular integer or not. And here's the takeaway. When we use the type alias, you want to rename the type for the readability or simplicity. But when we use the new type, you want to go treat it as a different to add the safety. This is super useful in the big project like banking system, e-commerce app, or government portals, where the different ID and values should not be mixed up. So don't assume that the type alias and new types behave the same. The moment you need to go enforce the boundaries between the data types, and always go with the new type. And remember that when you define the new type, you also have to write the conversion logic, even method separately for it. So that's it, yeah. If this helped you, do me a small favor, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment and like the video, because we are just getting started with the awesome Go concept. So keep learning, keep coding. I will see you in the next one.